Hello children, now you are grown up and promoted to class 4. Now I am teaching you the lesson of science. This is your first lesson. We will send its photo to you. In this lesson, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn food for plants. Food for plants. Now see. This is plant. These all are the parts of the plant. Now tell me which part is this? This is root. This is root. Root is inside the soil. It takes food, water and minerals from the soil. It takes the food, water and minerals from the soil and it supplies through this. This is called as stem. Through this stem, the food is supplied to all the plant parts, all the parts and all the leaves, etc. These are the leaves. These are the leaves. This is called as stem. Then here is a small flower also. So roots, stem, leaves, flower and fruit are the different parts of the plant. Now, plants are very important part of the natural environment because we can see everywhere. Plants are everywhere. Plants gives us food, oil, etc. We learned it in last year also. They are the only living things that not only produce their own food but provide food for other living things as well. That means, what is its meaning? Plants gives us food. They prepare their own food. Plants prepare their own food for themselves also, and at the same time they supply food for us also. All living things are dependent on plants in some way or the other. That means all living things, how they are dependent on plants? Because though some people are non-vegetarian, then also though they are eating flesh, the animals are dependent on the plants. That means indirectly all living things are dependent on plants for their food. Now, all living things are dependent on plants in some way or the other. We shall learn a little more about these producers of food, how they do it. Parts of leaf. Now look here. This is the leaf. And these all are its part. Now see, this part is called as blade. This part is called as blade. Then this part is called as petiole. Then this is stipules. Then this is midrib. This is called as midrib. This is called as vein. These all are the veins. Now, parts of a leaf. Leaves are generally broad. See the leaves. Leaves are generally broad and flat, so that they can receive more sunlight. The leaf is attached to the stem by a stalk or petiole. The leaf blade or lamina is broad. The flat part of the leaf, it has a main vein called as midrib going through the center of the leaf. This is the midrib. This is called as the midrib, and these small are their veins. There is a network of thin veins connecting the main vein. There are also very tiny pores called as stomata. Very tiny pores, that is small holes. They are the small holes. It is called as stomata. Mostly on the lower surface of leaves. Leaves breathe in and breathe out air through the stomata. That means at the back there are a small holes. We cannot see, or you cannot see it on this phone, but then also there are small holes. And they are called as stomata.